If you want to practice real REST APIs in a Spring Boot, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to build a contact management system using Java, Spring Boot, and MySQL, where we will perform all CRUD operations. So, hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Builds. I'm MD Anas, and on this channel, we will build a real world backend project using Java and Spring Boot, especially for students and interview preparations. In this video, we are going to develop a contact management system backend project. This project is designed using Spring Boot, REST APIs, and connected with a MySQL database. In this project, we will manage contact using a single database table called contact. Each contact will store details like name, phone, number, email, and city related fields. We will implement the following features like add a new contact, update existing contact, delete a contact, search contact by different parameters. Why this project matter? This project is a very useful for a beginners because it helps you to understand how REST APIs work in a Spring Boot, how to connect Spring Boot with a database, how to perform CRUD operations in a clean backend structure. So, without wasting any time, let's start the project and first understand the project structure and database design.